Hello friends, today we will discuss about how to maximize return with protective maintenance of tablet press machine. In pharmaceutical industries, tablet press machine plays an integral part in the manufacturing of tablets. There are various types of tablet press machine available that is been used in the industries according to the requirement. Different types of tablet press machines like single tablet press machine, double tablet press machine, rotary tablet press machine and many more are used in industry. These machines are to be maintained once used so as to make the machine run more fluently and unobstructed. Following shows how to maintain the tablet press machine and maximize return. Clean. The most significant step to maintaining your tablet press machine, whether it is a single rotary tablet press machine, double rotary press tablet machine, it should be kept clean. The tablet press machine should be thoroughly cleaned and dried in order to remove oil or product residue. Remove the dust and granules from the machine with the help of air blower or pump or any other instrument that can generate a gust of air, removing dust and granules from the machine. A long time accumulation of dust makes the machine tarnished, that adversely affects its fluent running. Assessment. Tablet press machine consists of punches and dies that should be inspected under magnification in order to identify the damage, wear, and corrosion, as well as validate the cleaning process. This process will also help you to know about the problems associated with the machine, indicating if any maintenance required. High-speed tablet press. Rust removing. Due to the oxidation of feeding materials, tablet press machine becomes rusty. In order to remove the rust from the machine, spray some rust agent on the machine and make it free from corrosion. After spraying, wipe the machine gently with a soft cloth of lint. Adding lubricating grease. Once finished with rust-free, add lubricating grease to the machining parts. Add some grease to the oil cups, as it is one of the main sources of providing oil to the machine running. It is necessary to timely add grease to oil cups for ease and fluency of machine running. Also, apply grease to the transmission parts. So, why it is important to maintain and protect the tablet press machine. For qualitative product. Prevention of malfunctioning of equipment that leads to product contamination. Clean surface for disinfection. Ensuring consumer safety. Increasing performance, productivity, and quality. Smooth and fluent functioning of equipment. Maintaining of tablet press machine, in turn, creates a direct impact on the production as well as the quality of the tablets. Not only with maintaining, but it also helps to let you know about any damage to the machine so that it can be repaired accordingly. Fluidpack is the manufacturers and exporters of tablet press machines that provide different types of machines. Our different types of tablet press machine include single rotary tablet press machine, high-speed double rotary tablet press machine, before double-sided rotary tablet press, D4 single-sided rotary tablet press and many more. For more information, contact us today at www.fluidpack.net and get acquainted with the different types of tablet press machine. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get updates of our latest videos.